Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel A Plus Mind. Now in this video we will do the practices of addition, subtraction and multiplication or division. So if we want to completely understand how we can add, subtract or multiply or divide with great detail, you can see my video in my description. So there is a practice 4.1a, reduce answers to the lowest term after the addition or subtraction. There is the common denominator. So 8, 3 plus 1 is the 4. We will not add the denominator and will not change if the denominators are same. And they said that reduce the answer. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 by 4. Now you can again reduce them. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 1 over 2 is the final answer. Now next question. 1 by 6 plus 5 by 6. And these denominators are same. 6 by 6, 6. 1 answer. Now question number 3, 8 by 9 minus 5 by 9. Their denominators are same. So 8 minus 5 is equal to 3 by 9. When we both divide them 3, 1 over 3. My final answer is 3. 7 over 12 minus 5 over 12. Denominators are same. When we subtract 5 over 12 from 7, 2 by 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. My final answer is 1 over 6. Question number 5. 1 over 4 plus 2 by 3. If we add them 2 plus 1 3, we add 4 plus 3 7. No. It's true, it's correct. No, it's a wrong method. It's a very wrong method. No, we will firstly, what we done? We can't add them. We can't add them. Why? Because their denominators are different. Denominators are different. What we done? Firstly, we find the same denominator. Firstly, we find the same denominator. Firstly, we make the list of multiples. Firstly, we will multiply with the 1. 4 multiply 1, 4. 3 multiply 1, 3. Multiply with 2. 4 2s are 8. 3 2s are 6. 4 3s are 12. 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16. 3 4s are 12. Now we find the same common denominators, 12. What we done? 1 by 4 multiply with 3. We multiply with 3. In which we multiply with the denominator, then we multiply with the same number to the denominator. 3 by 3 plus 2 by 3 multiply with 4. 4 by 4. 4 3s are 12. 3 1s are 3 plus 4 2s are 8. 3 4s are 12. We find the same denominator, but we don't add them. We don't add the denominators. We write it as it is. We add only denominators. 3 plus 8, 11. Now 11 by 12. Now we can write them in the. Now I wipe it You cannot be confused. So you can convert into improper fraction or improper number. No. Why? Because numerator is less than the denominator. So we write it as it is, 11/12. Now we solve the next question. 1/2 plus 5/8. 1/2 plus 5/8. 1/2 plus 5/8. Firstly, we see the we say the multiples. Multiply with 1, 2, 1 are 2, 8 1s are 8. 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16. 2 3s are 6, 8 3s are 24. 2 4s are 8. Now we finish them. We will not move again. We find the same denominators. So 8, we write it as this. We multiply with 1. We don't need it. We multiply with the 2 with the 4. We multiply with 4. Now 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8 plus 5/8. We write 8 as the same. We don't add them. 5 plus 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9/8. Can we write in the mixed number? Yeah, because 9 is a greater number than 8. Then numerator is greater than denominator. 9, 8 multiplied by 1. So we write it 1/8. So next question. Question number 7. Firstly, in the above question, we see the multiples. We see the multiples to make the same denominators. But now, what we done? In the addition or subtraction, we can also do an butterfly method. Firstly, we multiply with 9 multiply with 5 minus 3 multiply with 10, and then we multiply together these numbers. Ten multiplied by 5, 10 multiplied by 5. 5 9s are 45. 50 minus 3 times are 30, 5 times are 50. When we subtract it, 45 minus 30 divide by 50. My answer is 15/50. Then 5 3s are, when we reduce it, 5 3s are 15, 5 10s are 50. My answer is 3/10. Now, that is the easiest method. You can follow both methods. Firstly, we see their multiplications. This is the long method. Then I use the butterfly method to solve these questions. 7/9 minus 1/2. Again, we multiply. We use the butterfly method. 7 multiplied by 2 minus 1 multiplied by 9. And we multiply both denominators. 9 multiplied by 2, 9 multiplied by 2. 7 2s are 14. Minus 18 minus 9 over 9 18. 14 minus 9, 5 over 18. It's my final answer. We cannot convert into the mixed number because numerator is less than the denominator. So my final answer is 5 over 18. Now you can see that we choose two methods. Firstly, we see the multiples to make them, see the multiples to make their same denominators. Then we same denominator, then we add or subtract them. Firstly, demand in the questions. Next, then I use only the butterfly methods. We multiply, there is a numerator multiply with the denominator with the other number, and there is a denominator multiply with the other number of denominator, and then multiply both in the denominators. You can use both methods to solve their questions, which you can easily use. Question number 9, 2 1 over 5 plus 1 2 by 3. Firstly, I tell you earlier, we multiply and then we add. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11 by 5 plus 3 1s are 3 and then add 2 5 over 3. Now there is a different number. We use easy method, that is butterfly method. It's your choice what you use. You can see their multiples. You can use the butterfly method. We multiply 11 multiplied by 3 plus 5 multiplied by 5 divided by both multiplied together. 5 multiplied by 3 plus 5 multiplied by 3. Now 33 over 15 plus 25 over 15. We find the same denominators. Now we add them. When we add 33 plus 25, 58. Now when we divide, then my answer is 3 into 13 over 15. If you want to know how we can do it, 58 over 15, 15 3s are 45. My answer is 30. Then 3 as a whole number answer, 13 as a remainder as a numerator, and 15 as a denominators. Now question number 10. 15. We write same numerator as the denominators. Next question number 10. 4 into 1 over 2 minus 2, 3 by 4. Multiply and then add. 4 2s are 8, 9 over 2 minus 4 2s are 8 plus 3, 11 over 4. Now we can use the both methods. We can see their multiples, and we can see the butterfly method. We can take their both multiples. If I take their multiples, 2 4, 2 4, 1 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 4, 2 multiplied by 4, 4 multiplied by 8. Now we find the same denominators, 4 4. So we do not need to multiply them. 11 by 4, 9 by 2, multiply 2 by 2, because when we multiply with the denominator and then we multiply with the same number to the nominators. Now 18 by 4 minus 11 by 4. My answer is 7 by 4. When we divide, my answer is 1 into 3 by 4. If you want to know how, 7, 4, 4 ones are 4, remainder is 3. 1 answer as whole number, 3 as the numerator and 4 as the denominator. Now next question number 11. We multiply and then we add them. 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 5, 35. 35 over 6 plus multiply and then add. 2 3 are 6, 7 8 divided by 3. Then we see their multiples. 1 multiply 3, 6. 3 2 are 6. We will not move further because we find the same denominator. 6. 35 over 6 is multiplication of 1. We don't need it. 8 divided by 3. Multiply 2 by 2. 35 over 6 plus 6. 8 2s are 16. When we add them, 51 over 6. When we divide them, 8 3 by 6. Now you can see that we can simplify them. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. My final answer is 8 1 over 2. Now next question. 6 7 over 8 6 8 7 over 8. Multiply and then add. My answer is 55 by 8 plus 4 over 16 plus 3 19. 19 over 4. And then we see the multiples. 8 4. 2 multiply. 8 2s are 16. 4 2s are 8. We find the same denominator. 8 8. We don't change the 8. 55 divided by 8. 19 by 5 divided by 4. Multiply by 2. We multiply with the numerator with the 2. Then we multiply with the numerator with the same number 2. 55 over 8 plus 38 over 8. My answer is 93 by 8. When we divide them, then my answer is 11 5 over 8. Question number 13. 12 1 over 10 plus 9 3 over 5. We multiply and then we add. 12 multiply by 10 120 plus 1 121 over 10 plus 5 9 are 45. Then add 3 48 by 5. Then we see the multiples. 10 5. 1 multiplied by 10 by 5. 2 multiplied by 20 5 over 10. Now we find the same denominators. 121 divided by 10 plus 48 divided by 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. My answer is 121 divided by 10 plus 48 multiplied by 2, 96 divided by 10. And now when we add them, my answer is 217 divided by 10. When we divide, my proper answer is in mixed fraction or mixed number 21, 7. 21, 7 over 10. My final answer is 21, 7 over 10 mixed fraction or a mixed number. Now next question number 14. 2 by 9 plus 2 by 3 plus 4 onto 5 or 6. Firstly, we convert into the improper fraction, multiply, then we add. 9 multiplied by 2, 18 plus 2, 20. 20 over 9 plus 2 by 3 as it is, write it, plus 4 into 5 over 6, multiply and then add, plus 29 by 6. Now we see their multiples. We see their multiples. 9, 3, 6. We multiply with 1. Then we multiply with 2. 9 2s are 18. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. Then next we multiply with 3. 9 3s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. Next when we multiply with 4, 36. 3 4s are 12. 6 4s are 24. When we multiply with 5, 45. 15. 6 5s are 30. When we multiply with 6, 36. 18. 6 6 are 36. Now we find the same denominators. 18. 18. 18. 18. When we multiply with the 9 to 18 with 2. 20 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 plus 2 by 3. 2 in the 2 or in the 3 denominators. We multiply with 6. Multiply 6 plus 29 by 6. When the 6 there is 3, we find the 3. Multiply by with 3, multiply with 3. Now 40 multiplied by 18 plus 1 2 12 by 18 plus 87 over 18. And then my answer is 248 by 18. Now I wipe this multiplication table, then you will not be confused for the next question. 248 by 18. 248 by 18. When we simplify them, 134 divided by 9. When we divide them, my final answer is 16 4/9. If you want to know how, 9 124, 9 ones are 9, remaining is 3, then 4, 9 6 are 30, remainder is 4. Now you find the final answer, 16 4/9. Now next, question number 15. Three 1/3 plus 5 2/3 plus 3 5/6. We multiply and then we add. We follow the same rule as we do earlier. 10/3 plus 17/3 plus 23/6. Now you know that there is a same multiplication table. 1 multiply 3 3 6, 3 2 are 6, 0 is 6, meaning we multiply 3 digit to the 2 number and 6 as it is. 2 multiplied by 3 plus 17 multiplied by 2 divided by 3 plus 23 divided by 6. Then I will write it 20 plus 34 plus 23 divided by 6. 77 divided by 6. When I divide them, my final answer is 12 5/6. It's my final answer in the mixed number. 3/8 plus 7/12 plus 3 1 3 plus 2 5/3. Then firstly I will see you the multiplication table, then we see the same common denominator, but there is another trick to same the common denominator. We find their LCM. How we can find their LCM? 8 12 3. Firstly we take a lower number 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 3. Then we take 3, write 4 as it is, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Then we take 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1, 2, 2 1s are. Then we multiply with 3, multiply by 2, 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. My answer is 2 to 6, 6 to 12, 12 to multiply by 2, 24. Now I will take the LCM 24. I will take the LCM 24. 8 multiply with 3. Then I find 24. Then we multiply with 24. Then we multiply 3 with 3. Then 7. 12 multiply by 2, 24. Then multiply with 2. then 3 8s are 24. Then I multiply 5 with 8. Now my answer is 3 3s are 9, 7 2s are 14, plus 5 8s are 40, 24. 63 by 24. When I reduce it, my answer is 21 by 8. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. I divide on 3 for reduce them. When I divide 21 by 8, my final answer is 2 5 over 8. That is my final answer. Question number 17. 16 2 by 3 plus 25 3 by 4. Firstly, it's an improper mixed number. We convert into proper fraction. 16 multiplied by 3 and then add with 2. 16 multiplied by 3, it's 48 plus 250 divided by 3 plus 25 multiplied by 4 100 plus 3 103 divided by 4. So we use the butterfly method. 50 multiplied by 4 plus 103 multiplied by 3 3 multiply 4 3 multiply 4. We multiply denominators all together. So 200 divided by 12 plus 309 divided by 12. When we add them, 509 divided by 12. So when I divide 509 divided by 12, 12 fours are 48, remainder is 2, 9, 12 twos are 24, remainder is 5. So my final answer is 42 5 over 12. If you completely understand how we can convert into improper fraction into mixed number and mixed number into improper fraction, then you can see my video which I show the link in my description. Question number 18. 10 1 over 2 plus 8 4 over 5 plus 3 1 over 4. These are the mixed number. Firstly, we convert into fractions. 10 we multiply and then add them. We multiply and then we add. We multiply and then we add. 10 multiplied by 2 plus 1 21 by 2. 8 5s are 40 plus 4 44 divided by 5. 4 3s are 12 plus 13 over 4. Now we take their LCM. 2 5 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 5 1s are 5. When we multiply them, 5 2s are 10, 10 multiplied by 2, 20. 21 multiply by my LCM is 20. So 2 multiply by 10, it takes 20. So 21 multiply by 10. So 44. 5 multiply by 4, it gives 20. So 44 multiply by 4. And then plus, and again we get 20. How? 4 5s are 20. 13 multiply by 5. When we multiply all together, 21 multiplied by 10, it gives 210. Plus 44 multiplied by 4, 176. Plus 13 multiplied by 5, 65. Divided by 20. When we add them, 41 divided by 20. So, when we divide them, my answer is 22. Remainder is 11. 20. Denominator is same. It's my final answer. Next question, question number 19. 8, 1 over 2 minus 3, 4 over 9. Then I again repeat it. We multiply and then we add them. 8 2s are 16 plus 1, 17 over 2 minus 9 3s are plus multiply and then we add 31 divided by 9. So, it's very easy. We can use the butterfly method. Seventeen multiplied by 9 minus 31 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 9 divided by 2 multiplied by 9. 17 multiplied by 9. 153 divided by 18 minus 31 multiplied by 2. It gives 62 divided by 18. So, when we subtract them, my answer is 91 over 18. (91) divided by 18. 18 5s are 90. Remainder is 1. So, my final answer is answer 5 as a whole number. Remainder 1 as denominator and 18 denominator will be same. So, my final answer is 5, 1 over 18. (15 minus 3, 7 over 8). Firstly, we convert into fraction. There is 15 means the remainder denominator is always 1 minus we multiply and then we add 31 over 8. So, we will take remainder 8 because 1 multiplied by 8. 15 multiplied by 8 minus 31. 120 minus 31 divided by 8. 89 divided by 8. When we divide them, 8 1s are 8, 9, 8 1s are 8, remainder is 1. My final answer is 11. 11 answer is a whole number. remainder 1 over 8. Next question number 21. 14 1 over 4 minus 10 3 over 7. We multiply and then we add. We multiply and then we add. 57 over 4 minus 73 by 7. We will take butterfly method. 57 multiplied by 7 minus 73 multiplied by 4. We multiply denominators all together. 4 multiply 7, 4 multiply 7. 57 multiplied by 7, it gives 99. When we calculate them, 28 minus 73 multiplied by 7, 292 divided by 28. 107. When we subtract them, 28. When we divide, 107 divided by 28. 28 multiplied by 3, it gives 84. Remainder is 23. So 3 as a whole number, 23 as a numerator, and denominator as 28. So my final answer is 323 by 28. Next, question number 22. 9 11 by 12 minus 8 5 over 8. We multiply and then we add. We multiply and then we add. 119 divided by 12 minus 69 over 8. So we take LCM. 12 8. 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are. When we multiply them, it gives 24. 119 minus 69, but we can't write them because there is 24. 12 multiplied by 2, it gives 24. So 119 multiplied by 2 minus 69, 8 multiplied by 3, it gives 24. 3 divided by 24. 238 minus 207 divided by 24. When we subtract them, my answer is 31 divided by 24. When I divide, my answer is 1, remainder is 7, and denominator is 24 as same. My final answer is 1 7 over 24. Question number 23. 6 minus 3 4 over 7. When only digit means remainder is 1. So we can convert it to fraction. Next, there is a mixed number. Again, we multiply 7 multiplied by 3, and their product we will add in the 4. So 25, 7 3 is 21, plus 4, it will becomes 27 over 7. 1 multiplied by 7, So 6 multiplied by 7 minus 25. 42 minus 25 divided by 7. 17 over 7. When I divide them, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 3 is a bigger value, 21 is a bigger value, so I write 7 2s are 14, remainder is 3. So I write 2 as a whole number, answer, 3 remainder as a numerator, and denominator will be same, 2 3 by 7. Next, question number 24. 13 1 over 3 minus 4 4 over 9. So I again multiply and then we add. Multiply and then we add. 13 multiplied by 3 plus 1 40 divided by 3 minus 4 9 is 36 plus 4 40 over 9. So we take LCM. 3 9 3 1s are 3 3 3s are 9 3 1s are 3. When we multiply, it will become 9. 9 is there. So 3 multiplied by 3 it gives 9. So 40 multiplied by 3 minus 40. 120 minus 40 divided by 9. 80 over 9. When we divide, 9 9s are 81, so I take 9 8s are 72. Remainder is 8. So I write 8 over 9. So my final answer is 8. Answer as a whole number, remainder as a numerator, and denominator will be same. Next, question number 25. 5 over 7 minus 4 4 over 5. We multiply 5 multiplied by 7 and then we add them. Multiply and then we add them. 5 7s are plus 5 40 divided by 7 minus 5 4s are 20 plus 4 24 divided by 5. There we take the butterfly method. Forty multiplied by 5 minus 24 multiplied by 7. 7 multiplied by 5, 7 multiplied by 5, 200 divided by 35 minus 168 divided by 35, 32 divided by 35. We cannot convert into improper fraction because the numerator is less than denominator. So it's my final answer. I should take the LCM, multiples, butterfly methods to solve these problems. It's your choice what you use to solve your problems. Question number 26. To make the top of the dining room table, a Craig glues a piece of oak is 5 over 16 inch thick of a piece of pine that is 7 over inch thick. What is the total thickness? Means they demand the total thickness in inches of the tabletop. So a piece of oak is 5 over 16 plus piece of pine 7 over 8. When we add them, firstly what we do, we take their LCM. It will be very easy. 8 16, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 2, 8 1s are 2. When we multiply, it will give 16. 16 just 5 over 16 plus 7 over 2 multiplied by 8 over 2. 5 over 16 plus 7 multiplied by 2, 14 over 16. When we add them, my answer is 19 over 16. So, when I divide them, 19 over 16, 16 1 the 16, remainder is 4, 7, 8, 9, 3. So, my answer is 3. 1 as the answer as the whole number, 3 our numerator, 16 our denominator. My answer is 1, 3 by 16, B part. Question number 27. Carol will use the board shown below to assemble a book cart. How much longer in inches is board A than board B? There is board A to 7 over 8 inch, B 1 or 1 4 inch. Say, we demand how much longer in inches is board A than board B. Means they demand the difference. So 2 7 over 8 minus 1 1 over 4. If you completely want to understand the where we add, subtract, multiply, then I show my video in the description. So you can completely understand where we add, where we subtract. Firstly, we convert into improper fraction, multiply, and then we add, multiply, and then we add them. 8 2s are 16 plus 7, 23 by 8. Minus 4 1 are 4 plus 1, 5 over 4. So, we take the LCM. 8, 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 2, 4 2s are 8. When we multiply, it will become 8. 23 by 8 is as it is, minus 4 2s are 8. So, 5 multiply 8 gives 4 multiplied by 2, it gives 8. So, we multiply numerator and denominator with 2. So, 23 by 8 minus 5 multiplied by 2, 10 divided by 8. When we subtract 10, my final answer is 13 over 8. But the demand is a proper fraction. So, when we divide 13 over 8, 8 1 are 8, 8 2 are 16. So, I write 8 1 are 8, remainder is 5. So, my final answer is 1 5 over 8. There is option C. At a fabric store, Milicia sold 8 7 over 8 yards. Sold 8 7 over. Sold 8 7 over 8 yards of cloth to a customer. The material we cut from a bolt of fabric containing total fabric 23 1 over 4 yards. How many yards are left on the bolt? How many yards means difference. 23 1 over 4 minus 8 7 over 8. So we multiply and then we add. 23 multiplied by 4 plus 1, 93 over 4 minus 71 over 8. When we subtract them, but firstly to subtract, we will take the LCM. 4, 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2, 2 1s are 1. When we multiply, it will give 8. So, 93 multiplied by 2, 4 multiplied by 2 minus 71 over 8. So, 115 over 8. When I divide them, 115 over 8. 8 1s are 8. Remainder is 33. 8 4s are 32. Remainder is 3. So my answer is 14 as a whole number. Where is 14 as a whole number? There. 3 remainder as numerator and 8 over denominator. So my option is my best answer. A batch of salad dressing requires 1 2/3 cups of olive oil, 1 over 2 cups of vinegar, 3 over 4 cups of water. How many cups of salad dressing will this recipe produce? Means we require all these quantities, so we add them. First we convert into proper fraction. Multiply then add 3 1 3 plus 2 5 over 3 plus 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4. So we take the LCM. 2 3 4 2 1 are 2 2 2 are 4 3 as it is. Again 2 1 are 2 3 1 are 3. When we multiply 2 2 are 2 plus multiply by 3 4 multiply by 3 it will become 12. So I wipe it and you will not be confused for the further question. Now 12. When I multiply 3 with 4 it will become 12. So 5 multiplied by 3 plus 2 multiplied by 6 is become 12. So 1 multiplied by 6 plus 4 multiplied by 3 it will become 12. So we will multiply 3 multiplied with 3. So 5 multiply 20 plus 6 1 is 6 plus 9 over 12. 35 over 12. When I divide them, 12 2 is 24. Remainder is 11. So there is final answer is 2 days also 2 days also 2, but remainder is 11. So 11 nominator, my option is C.